Introducing the Heybike Mars 2.0, your new go-to for thrilling rides and everyday commutes. Equipped with a 1400W peak brushless motor and a 600Wh lithium-ion battery, this bike gives you the power to hit speeds of up to 28 miles per hour, guaranteeing a smooth and exhilarating ride. Stay connected with the smart LCD display. Sync your bike to the Heybike app, where you can adjust your riding modes, monitor your battery, and even lock or unlock your bike, all from the convenience of your smartphone. The upgraded sturdy rear rack is designed for heavy loads. Its innovative magnetic feature allows you to easily customize and accessorize your ride, making it perfect for both utility and style. Need to take your bike on the go? The Heybike Mars 2.0 folds down to a compact size of 37 foot x 22 x 30, so it fits easily into your car or van. Whether you're hitting the trails or heading into the city, this bike is ready when you are. Take on any terrain with confidence. The full suspension system, including dual shock absorption in the fork and seat, ensures that every bump, rock, or root is absorbed, giving you a smoother and more comfortable ride no matter the path. Whether it's a daily commute or an off-road adventure, the Heybike Mars 2.0 delivers power, comfort, and convenience in one foldable package. Ready to take your ride to the next level? Get yours today and experience the ride of a lifetime with the Heybike Mars 2.0 electric bike.